Hi, I'm Jamie Sorcher for the AV Network. Thanks for watching. I'm here at the Intel Unite booth, and of course, InfoComm 2019. There's a lot going on. With me is Thomas Loza, Global Director of Sales for Intel Unite, and we're going to get a product demo and some information on what's new and exciting. Hi, Thomas. How are you?
Hi, Amy. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. So, what is Intel Unite?
Yeah, so Intel Unite's a collaboration platform that we deploy through our partners on top of a vPro-based PC that sits in the environment or in the room, connected to a screen that facilitates wireless collaboration, and then has an open architecture to allow different uses to be plugged into the capability to bring the whole experience of the collaboration session in the room to outside participants.
Take a breath. Wow, that was a lot. Okay, now, take us through a demo, because I know this is going to be exciting to see.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. So we're just going to do some wireless screen sharing. So a lot of solutions out there today today we want to get rid of cables, dongles, and such, and so wireless presentation is an easy, fast way to get a meeting started. So what I'm going to start with is just a simple demonstration of, you're going to notice on the screen there's a PC connected to the back of the screen. And there's a little light service that's sitting in the infrastructure, or just this morning we announced our cloud service that will do the same thing, is providing that 6-digit PIN for the room. There's a client software that goes on any PC, tablet, phone, any major OS is supported with a simple light client. And you'd walk into a room, you want to get started, you'd hit the 6-digit PIN that's sitting on the screen in front of you. That's instantly going to go up to that PIN service that, again, is either on-prem or in the cloud.
Okay.
And it's going to tell this client to connect to this PC that's in the room, point to point, so that we can start sharing content. So now I'm connected just like that. I've just walked in the room, I'm connected, and now it's as simple as clicking a present, and it's going to default to just mirror my screen. And I can choose to do an application or what have you. But now you're going to see that my content is now up on the screen, and I'm ready to start my meeting. This is an open platform. So that wireless screen sharing solution that I showed you, that's going to come native to the product. But we have an open architecture, a full API set, and a full SDK. And so you can start to bring on other experiences into the collaboration environment. Probably the most obvious one to talk about is the collaboration with UC. So unlike having a dedicated piece of hardware in the room that only works with a particular UC environment, with the Unite system, you can put UC as a plugin inside the application. So 1 minute I could come in and I can join my Unite session with a Skype session, and those two sessions will be merged. So the name Unite is actually purposeful. It means that we're uniting solutions to make collaboration easier. If the next hour we came in and wanted to use the same exact room for a WebEx meeting, it would be the difference of starting a WebEx plugin versus a Skype plugin. Now those two sessions are joined. So giving our customers a lot more flexibility on the tools that they use without actually having to change their infrastructure. The newest platform, so some of your customers and partners may have seen our older platform that was before we added touch. And so back in October, we actually redid the entire platform from grounds up, and now it has a new touch user interface, and it has the ability to actually come in and if I have time for this.
Yeah, go ahead, show me.
With touch, now that you're at the front of the room, you may want to actually have control of your client that was in the back of the room. So we've integrated a full touch interface on the front screen. We can now do things like take over control now that I granted from that laptop, and now I can actually present from the front of the room, and you'll see here, I'm actually controlling the PC at the back of the room.
You know, for a minute there, you looked like a weatherman. I thought you were going to
It feels like it's a little weather. It's a little weatherman. Yeah, if I really want to be a weatherman, I can go ahead and turn this off, and I can go back to talking about the low front that we're going to see tomorrow, and get some annotation going.
It's really a great system, isn't it?
It really is, and what our customers tell us they like about it is it's flexible. So at core, it's a PC with software, right? So as you know, there's a lot of innovation happening in this space right now. Every other day there's a new collaboration widget, new collaboration whiteboard. You know, it's going to be very difficult to make decisions on what you want, and you're going to change, right? We just always expect something to change. With our platform, it's just software. So you're just adding in a new plugin. You're making your room more available depending on what the latest collaboration platform that your company wants to use or your end users want to use.
All right, well, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Amy.
Liked
Good
everything.
to see you, thank you.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thanks.